Hi all. I've spent my career watching how cultural earthquakes often start as tiny tremors.
Facebook began as dorm room photo sharing. Now, it can sway elections.
Cryptocurrency was once a fringe experiment. Now it challenges the global economy. And I believe we're standing at the edge of another seismic shift. One that won't come from AI, space travel, or biotech. It'll come from video games. That sounds bold, right? But let's look closer. Over 2.6 billion people play games today, a billion more than just 5 years ago. No media has spread that fast. And as infrastructure grows across Africa and India, another billion will join. And here's a surprise. The average gamer is 34 years old. Gaming isn't child's play anymore. It's a permanent, adult medium, as integral to modern life as literature or film. Many now make a living inside games, designing, modding, creating art, or streaming. There's a digital renaissance happening on your kid's iPhone, and we're barely paying attention. But what's about to happen next goes far beyond play. For decades, video games have been limited by a hidden constraint: scale. Every open world is really a patchwork of tiny, isolated servers. When you hear about a concert in Fortnite, it isn't one event. It's thousands of small, identical ones. We've been walking on a treadmill cleverly disguised as infinity. That's about to change. For the first time, we can weave thousands of machines together into one shared, persistent world. Massive, interconnected simulations where millions of people and entities coexist. Imagine worlds where every blade of grass, every raindrop, every character is simulated and never resets. Developers like NetEase and Clang Games are already building worlds with planetary scale, where ecosystems evolve and politics emerge organically. These aren't games in the old sense. They're new civilizations, born in code. What could that mean? It could mean millions of people co-creating in shared spaces, the closest thing to a digital society humanity has ever built. It could mean empathy, as strangers from opposite sides of real-world conflicts play together, collaborate, and connect. It could mean the first jobs millions of kids ever have, earned in virtual economies that pay real income. The new paper route might be building, crafting, or storytelling inside a game world. But here's the warning. If we don't shape this technology, it'll be shaped for us by the same few corporations that already own our attention, our data, and our social lives. So my plea is simple: engage. To the engineers, artists, and dreamers, build these worlds with care, because the next revolution won't just be televised. It'll be played.